Match number 2. Let us invite first. Again, we'll start with Coach Fubu to give away the first on-field award. And always feel proud about the fact that what he brings to this team is unique. He's most humble guy, and he performs all the time. He's got a record of picking up a wicket in his first over, and like Captain mentioned, that his death overs are also great. This one goes to KC Karan. I feel he's most humble. उसका उसका खींचने का तरीका रहेगा कुछ कुछ, वो बहुत प्यार से कभी कभी खींचता है सबको. अकेला रहता है तो बहुत humble. His biggest contribution to the dressing room is the quote, "Think and act." अभी रोहित देख रहा है कौन सा वाला think and act. Second one, I'll invite Jagat ji to give away this on-field award as well, please. Well, from the game position where opponents felt that probably they were cruising and winning the game, and like Sandy also mentioned that he was very happy to see someone stepping up. Skipper also mentioned about the fact that certain things that they had defined for themselves as part of the new skill to learn and work hard on, then finally under pressure also execute and turn around his disappointment of the game against Oman. This one goes to Sompal Kami. On that note, I'll invite Coach Nandan. We talk about standard of performance, and in our light ways, we keep doing the banters around. Today, someone was reminding each other. So, but for the good things of the last game, and saving those crucial twos all the time, getting us the run out as well. This one goes to nobody else but Tiger. इतना मैं बोलूंगा कि उसमें कुशल को भी कैचेस के लिए वोट्स मिले थे, बट आप चाहते हो बट उसके ज्यादा वोट किसी और को मिल जाते हैं. आपको भी वोट्स मिले थे आपकी फील्डिंग के लिए लास्ट मैच के लिए. आई नो. ठीक है. On that note, I'll invite manager to give away the off-field award. आप नहीं, वो आप लास्ट में आपका स्पेशल टाइम आएगा. आप करण जी के से हुआ है सब यहाँ पे, बट ये लास्ट मैच का ऑफ फील्ड अवार्ड है. जैसे हमारे मैनेजर जी ऑलरेडी एक्नॉलेज कर रहे हैं कि जो लड़के बाहर बैठे हैं एंड दे आर डूइंग लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, शायद काफी काम मैनेजर के लिए भी इजी कर रहे हैं. In that regards, I think we have always acknowledged everyone. Okay, so I'll go back to first acknowledging everyone. The way Bhim has made an effort, सब कुछ टाइमिंग का हम लोग बोलते हैं, सब करता है, he does that. Deva has been pushed. All right. Lalit, we have talked about the number of overs and all that he does. But this time we are giving it to Arjun. And there's a reason for it. I think he made sure he did a dual job. Timing पे भी ध्यान दे रहा था. ये डिजर्विंग इसलिए है कि बहुत सारा क्रेडिट अर्जुन को मिलना चाहिए. एक ही बॉल मिला किसी को मारने के लिए 6, पर उसके पीछे का काम अर्जुन का बहुत ज्यादा है. बहुत बॉल फेंके हैं उसने. Okay, so now for today's game, we'll probably continue giving away the on-field one first. We'll invite Sandy to give away. So I think coaches already acknowledge the fact that sitting out and then you come in the game and then leave an impact. I think there was an important role there. So yes, one with the ball and one with the bat, but first we'll give it to the ball. Lalit Rajbansi. तीन करना ही पड़ेगा मेरा एक्स्ट्रा है ना वो कवर मेरे को दिमाग में था ये सब इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ
कमबैक करता है तो अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है तो उसका मतलब क्या है कि उसको ज्यादा बाहर रखना चाहिए फिर एक मैच खिलाना चाहिए ऐसा तो नहीं है 4-5 बाहर रखो एक खिलाओ परफॉर्म करेगा फिर
on a lighter note, but well done, Lali. I'll also put one more thing for him. Okay, जैसे हमने ऑफ फील्ड का बोला, ये 2 दिन भी जो मैच चल रहे थे और हमारे बैटर्स को लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन के सामने ड्रिल्स करने थे तो he was the first one to also keep on throwing to them. Well, not throwing, bowling. So, but he was doing his job as well. But he was giving them that help. So that was fantastic team effort there. And today after the game, he still ended up doing a couple of rounds of jog. So that is good attitude, very good attitude. On this note, the second one, actually there is one more, but we'll go to that. But someone who is very sentimental about it, बहुत tight and upright बैठा हुआ है, पहले उसको चीफ गेस्ट की तरह बुलाता हूँ, अब्दुल सत्तार. आप पहले आप क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ, साथ में आ जाओ. जय वीरू, विक्रम बेताल, जो भी बोलना है, ये दोनों की जोड़ी है. ये दोनों की जोड़ी है, बहुत सेंटिमेंटल है दोनों. एक को दूसरे को क्रेडिट देना है, दूसरे को उसको क्रेडिट देना है. बट ये दोनों खुश होंगे ये अवार्ड देने के लिए, बिकॉज बैकग्राउंड में लाइक आई सेड दे हैव बीन पुशिंग एंड मोल्डिंग दिस यंग, आई वुड स्टिल से हिज किड कुशल मल्ला. आप लो पहले आ रहा है. अच्छा तो आप बोलो, आप लो फिर आप बोलो. हाँ, पहले पहन लो, खुश हो जाओ, पहले पहन लो, ऐसे आओ, ऐसा उनको खुश होने.
यो अवार्ड मेरो होइन उसैको हो. एकदमै राम्रो ब्याटिङ गर्यो, रनिङ विकेटमा एकदम राम्रो 2-3 रन दौड्यो. सो एकदमै हार्ड वर्क गरेको थियो, त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ यो डिजर्भ गर्छ.
Next one, this last one, and we should definitely bring Raman as our guest. He's been doing all the work in the background. He'll give away this award. और इसके पीछे भी रीजन है, I will definitely feel that, and I will say that the coaches have been putting in a lot of effort. All right, and somewhere this gentleman has also acknowledged the one-on-one sessions which he has been doing also with Coach Nandan. That also has been the factor for sure. But more importantly, जो footage चाहिए था ना, the footage that we wanted, and we wanted to bring it out, Raman was able to give us that footage, and we were able to explain and convince. I'll keep saying this, my Sehwag, and for him to dare and do that straight away, this award deserves and should get it to Kushal Bhuttal. So ये सीरीज का अवार्ड सेरेमनी यहीं खत्म होता है. बट अगेन स्पेशल मेंशन, आई विल कम टू दैट आल्सो. सॉरी, you are the last man for sure for the best one, and let me acknowledge that also. Our manager for this tour, Karanji, has been very vocal, and he has been saying, he's been naming players who will score runs on that day, and that person is scoring runs. So big clap to. And he has brought in some special reward also. We'll give him that. But I want to mention that in a happy dressing room, every time when wisdom gets shared, in that regards, Coach Pubu, you walked in here with us, and just the way, I mean, I have known you for so many years, right? And just the way you have been calmly sharing sharing your observation and giving your inputs, and all the coaches working so well together. Very, very grateful and wonderful start for us. On that note, Karanji wants to announce something. I think is उससे आगे उससे आगे पहले दीपेंद्र एरी को चाहिए कि he wants to give away to power play, bowling and fielding. आज तो तुम लोग रीजन को रुला दोगे. Karan ji, your show now.
Last match में ये this is not a money that I'm saying this love that अहिले केटाहरूको लागि चाहिँ एउटा प्रोत्साहन होस् भन्नु चाहिँ मैले युवा राखेको थिएँ 50 रन हाल्दा पनि $50 3 विकेट लाइन $50 करणले 3 विकेट लियो हिजो अनि हाम्रो गुरु हैन टेक्स द म्याच अफ सुपर ओभर जस्ट काउन्टेड
Hey, well done. Hey, what's Casey? What's important now? शायद शूज का कंट्रीब्यूशन थोड़ा कम हो गया मेरा. Yeah. Okay. Let's finish our winning song and then we leave. The driver is waiting for us.